Welcome to another episode on Anthony's Outdoors, and this is the Backyard Renovation Series, Part 2. This will be a quick rundown of some of the things that's been going on here in the Backyard Project Series. As you can see here, I just dropped a large Douglas fir that was past its prime and needed to get out of the way, as well as a bunch of others that were in the backyard. They just weren't looking good anymore, and in order to put up a new fence, they had to go. What I did with all that wood, though, I would stack and then end up burning it on the various weekends when I had time off or nice weather. These large willow trees here and here are 85 feet tall, and they're a little too tall for me to cut down, so I had to hire a company to come out and do it, all in preparation for a fence and a pond. And I've already started collecting rocks for the pond. And as you can see, those big willow trees are no longer with us. Got the mulch spread out, and then I took a bunch of the stump grindings and put it in that corner to level that corner out so that the fence will be more level on looking at it from the street. Alright, so we have a fence company coming in the next few weeks to put up a 6-foot high privacy fence to hopefully cut down on some of the noise that the road creates there, and to keep Hunter contained. So he's never had a fenced-in backyard of his own. He's always just had to go to the park, so that'll be exciting for him. In the meantime, I've got to go plant a tree, and you'll see that in the next episode of the Backyard Renovation Series. And hopefully now that the weather has gotten a lot better in the Midwest here, we'll be able to do a lot more filming of the actual work that I'm doing back here and do a little more how-tos and stuff like that. So if you like what you saw in this episode, hit that like button. Comment down below and consider subscribing to Anthony's Outdoors, as well as following us on Instagram and our Facebook page. And as always, thanks for watching.